I look to vegetable juicy beef patty, see? Down there. Don't know what time it is. Jamaican juicy beef patty shop we are going. So we in the patty shop are going to hold 2 patty down. Yeah, it's a little small place because that's what I say. I just hold the order and go. Yeah, man. There we have one order, same. So you see the board. This is a spinach patty. No comparison to yard patty. Can't find a crust on the patty neither. Just beat that one juicy beef patty a while and go on a break. Don't know what time it is. Down. Go out there with it. Downtown Orlando. Juicy beef patty. So the next extra little one up there. Right. So that is it. Don't know what time it is. We go back into the street, we go and hold a vibes.